अनफेयर अनजस्ट चीज़ें होती हैं औरतों के साथ, और ये नई बात नहीं है। ऐसे आदमी हैं हमारे देश में जो औरतों की मदद करते हैं। वो कर सकते हैं, हम कर सकते हैं। You must not come up as my daughter. I would like to come up on stage one day as your mother, and that would be a high. I think जहाँ तक एक औरत होने का दर्जा है, मेरे लिए वो अवार्ड मेरा भगवान मुझे बहुत पहले दे चुका है. I think the fact that I'm born a woman in itself is a huge award in my life. And then to have an organization like Karan Gupta Education Foundation, which holds this very prestigious and inspiring lot of awards for women, recognizing them from different fields. And they're just pioneers and women who inspire the way forward for generations. For them to give me an award, it just feels lovely because they've named it I Am Woman. And I'm a big believer of the concept of I am. So it's a lovely connect. I'm very, very privileged and honored that they thought of me.
And हम हिंदुस्तान के ढेरों सारे जगहों पर देखते हैं कि वुमेन के अचीवमेंट की बात होती है, लेकिन कुछ एक जगहों पर बहुत सारी रेप जैसी खबरें भी आती हैं। तो इन सारी चीज़ों को जब आप सुनती हैं, पढ़ती हैं, तो क्या टेक होता है आपका?
मैंने इसीलिए इस बारे में बहुत वक्त से टेक देना बंद कर दिया है, बिकॉज क्या होता है, हम लोग बहुत आवाज़ उठाते हैं, बातें करते हैं, फिर कुछ होता नहीं है. सो इट्स बेटर टू गो थ्रू चैनल्स विच हेल्प, लाइक द Change.org. वी पार्टिसिपेटेड. जब मैं बोलती हूँ मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया, मैंने, मेरी बेटियों ने, सब ने उस एप्लीकेशन पे साइन किया ताकि गवर्नमेंट तक बात पहुँचे. देखिए, दुनिया भर में, हमारे देश में भी बहुत अनफेयर अनजस्ट चीज़ें होती हैं औरतों के साथ, और ये नई बात नहीं है. लेकिन उसके आगे आप दो चीज़ें कर सकते हैं. या तो बुरा फील करके बात को वहाँ छोड़ सकते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है हमारे देश में, ये औरतों के साथ क्या हो रहा है, वी फील वेरी बैड एंड फॉरगेट अबाउट इट, हेडलाइंस चेंजेस, न्यूज़ चेंजेस. या आप मिसाल सामने लाइए, एक ऐसी मिसाल जिसे लोग देख कर कहें ये कर सकती है, मैं कर सकती हूँ. ऐसे आदमी हैं हमारे देश में जो औरतों की मदद करते हैं. वो कर सकते हैं, हम कर सकते हैं. तो that is in your hand, and that's why I don't talk so much about it. I rather do, and that's what I'm trying to do, and that's what we're trying to do here today as well, is to set some powerful examples, and I'm hoping that that helps. I have to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, of course, I'll tell you. The question you're asking is my journey as a woman. How's it been? Well, my journey period has been a very exciting and a very enlightening one. But I would not say it's been so, or define it as the journey of a woman, because if that were true, and I had not chosen to live my life not on the basis of a gender, I doubt I would have made the decisions or lived the life the one that I do. Because there are too many preconceived notions and ideologies attached to what it is to be a woman and to live the life of a woman. And it's enough for me to be a human being. And it's not to fight for equality, because so God help me, I've never stood up and said, we must fight for women equality, because then I'm accepting as a woman we're not equal. So we already have a problem there. Of course there are facts, and of course there are circumstances around us, there's a social conditioning which has to change. But that's a mindset. That's not how we're born. So what makes all of this journey so incredible is that while other people speak of their achievements in their vocational capacity, or the social causes they attach themselves to, or just the husband they married, or, you know, the universities their children go to, great. But I kind of think my life's greatest achievement is that I understood that everything has a source from which the journey begins and the journey culminates. And that to me is I am. It is understanding that no matter what choices you make or the relationships you have with your work, with people, with friends, with colleagues, with your family, is second to first understanding who you are. And who is that person doing all of these things? Because if you don't know that person, you will always be dictated by everyone else. How to be a good girl, how to be a good wife, how to be the right CEO for a company, because you're a woman. Or just simply the choices that you need to make so that you are more acceptable. That's been my life's greatest achievement. And I brought Elisa here today, my younger daughter, because the elder one is busier than I am. And so the younger one's come with me because she said, I want to see you get an award and I want to stand on the stage with you when that happens. So I told her, I said, "Done, you have a deal. You can come with me, but to achieve an award, to achieve a place in the world where you deserve an award, you must know that feeling from within you. You must not come up as my daughter. I would like to come up on stage one day as your mother." And that would be a high.
Koimoi.com